What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Neuro6, and today I'm building a new PC, and I'm here with
his boy Elijah. You can subscribe to me on YouTube at Malicious ENT.
It's gonna be in the description. But today I brought Elijah because I'm an Intel guy, and today I'm going with a Ryzen AMD build.
That's the wave.
Elijah's he's gonna be walking me through it because this is what he's used to. But this is everything we got. Today's Black Friday, by the way. Crazy sales at Micro Center. We got to shout out our boy Chris. His name was Chris, right?
Yes.
Hooking us up, everything. This is what we got. We got the Corsair 570X down here. But
we get into that later. We'll get into that later.
We'll get to that later. First, we start with the motherboard. We start with the motherboard first.
And the processor. You got the 1600X right here. 6 cores, 12 threads.
All the specs from the PC is going to be in the description if y'all want to check that out. But yeah, first we starting off with the motherboard though.
That baby's clean.
We got the, what motherboard we got? We got the MSI Tomohawk.
Sir, yes sir.
B350.
Clean.
So what we want to put in first? We put in the processor first?
Sir, yes sir.
Alright. Let's get the processor up in there. Put the scissors out. But yeah, if you're in New Jersey, definitely try to check out Micro Center. All your PC needs, they'll hook you up.
Technology needs in general.
Yeah,
TVs,
everything.
Computers, phones.
Electronic.
Use everything.
You know what I wanted to get? I forgot to get the Google Home Mini. I wanted to get that. Ooh, that junk looks sexy.
The back plate is pretty damn sexy too. That back plate.
But
it's clean as hell. For real.
Yeah, we can show them. I don't know if y'all saw, but I'm going with a black, gray, and red build.
That's mostly right there.
Yeah, it's mostly what I got for everything. My other ones, my Intel one's blue and white. We got the processor 1600X. First AMD processor.
3.6 base turbo frequency, and it overclocked the 4.0 4.1 frequency.
Let's get this in there. Wait, I think I have the paste in my phone. We got some thermal paste. Let's open this up. See what's good with it.
So the corner of that.
Let's get it in right here. You can show them this little arrow that's right here pointing that way. You just match it up with the arrow on this.
Lift this up, y'all. Lift that up.
Let's drop that right there. All right, we got the processor in.
Yes, sir.
What are we going with next? RAM?
RAM 6. The RAM.
Let's get the RAM in there. We going with the ballistics. This is a pretty good deal. 216.
16 gigabyte, 24 MAZ.
Click that in. Yep, you heard that click. We go for that one. Got this one in there.
You skip one slide and you go to the next slot, so the third slot, and then you put it in.
Click. So we go. What we going with next?
You wanna go with your fan right here, buddy?
Throwing the fan on.
And that is a huge fan.
It's big as shit. Oh god. Yeah, they have the back plate. Shit.
That's the AM4 bracket that you use to mount on to the processor and the fan. So it's gonna require a lot of screwing. There we go. Yo, that fan is dumb big.
It's big as shit.
Alright, so it took us 30 minutes to get this fan on. We didn't want to read directions, so we just BS'd our way through it. But it came out decent. Like, it's good. Like, it's on there stable. It's just that we didn't really want to read it, so we just had to finesse our way through it because we finesse guys. But now we're about to take off the side panels to this, what is this? What type of glass is this?
Temper.
Temper, yeah. I was about to say taper for some odd reason. I don't know. I'm thinking about a haircut. But yeah. And I know this glass I'm gonna be heavy as hell. And that rubber band low key had left me ashy, but it's alright though. It's alright.
Alright, so Madam, my boys came through. They can introduce. Y'all can introduce yourselves. I ain't got no name, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's Lauren. Follow me on Snap. Lauren672 Honeymaid. You feel me?
Follow me on Snap, DSAJISHITT, the shot of shit with 2 T's. You know what I'm saying?
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Alejo El Awesomeo. You already know what it is. YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Alejo El Awesomeo. You already know what it is.
Alright, man, it's your boy Nakeem. You can follow me on Snapchat, head.honcho_Keem. You know what it is.
Why your eyes look like that?
Why his eyes like that?
You already know we put an easy bake
Yo,
together.
get Elijah. Get Elijah.
Elijah
been up in this mother. Come on, Nakeem.
Alright, right now he's screwing in the motherboard, right? Because the motherboard has to be in the case. Because, like, where's you gonna put the motherboard at? You put it there, he's taking dumb long to screw it.
That shit obviously not screwing, goddammit. Alright, now it's screwing.
He's struggling. He might break it, to be honest. But when he done, we gonna pop in his thick ass power supply right here. What is this? A 650 bronze? It's a bronze, right?
It's a GameCube.
Is it?
Yeah, that is bronze.
Alright, we're gonna pop that in, and then we're gonna try to turn it on. But after that, we're gonna pop in the GPU. So we're gonna wait till him to finish this. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait.
Yeah, we gonna wait, nigga.
It's going
You want water?
Water!
Water!
H2O!
It could be in the video.
Alright, so he's opening the Corsair
Nah, he already explained it.
650X. I don't know. I gave up, but
650
That's not new.
I try to always go with Corsair.
Let me get the wraps.
I smell the ink off of this.
Nah, you're gonna be making mad noise with this shit right now. Exactly.
I go outside to make some wraps.
Alright, take it and go.
Psych, bitch.
Oh, it's a GameCube.
You ready? Alright, bet. We just edit that. So right here we got the 1050 Ti graphics card, Geforce. Currently I have this in my build upstairs, and it's pretty reliable. Gets the job done, so I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna put it on the new build. You got anything to say about this stuff?
so you said my thoughts on the 1050. I mean, I got one currently in my A10, and I like it. It's 2 gigabytes FTW, and I don't know. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna upgrade later on in the future, but 1050 you can settle for that for now, and it still does damage. It does work.
Yeah, this is the 4 gigabyte one, right? Yeah.
It's fast as hell and it's pretty.
Words.
Dumb pretty.
Dual fan.
Oh, I advise that too. If you want to get a graphics card, get a dual fan. Don't get a single fan. Dual fan is so much more efficient.
There you go. Let the people know.
Or you could get a triple fan graphics card. That's also efficient if you want to drop a lot of cash if you have that, because that's like $1,000, $800. That's if you want to do that. But you pop these up, and then you just slide it on in there, and then you slap it back, just like you did with the RAM, bro.
Where's the screwdriver?
Good.
Bro, that was good. It sounded smooth.
Yeah, for real.
You heard the click.
It sounded like you knew what you was doing.
Yeah, shit.
Oh, yeah. Elijah did good.
Alright, we're putting the power supply in.
I'm chilling.
So we're getting the power supply in there. You guys got to be careful because some power supplies going upside down depending on what direction the fan's facing in. Slide it back this way, and then we have to screw in that side, right? Is there a hole to screw it in over?
Did it fit, bro?
Let me get this.
Did it fit, bro? I'm struggling.
You need help putting it in.
No, that's it. You got this. Alright,
Yeah,
good looks.
brother.
Good looks, Keem.
No problem, baby. No problem. What's my boy right here? Go to this shit.
Yeah, y'all funny as hell, bro.
What go right here?
That's the power supply.
Yeah.
The generator.
Wow, you know how to find the hole.
He was struggling a little bit, bro.
Yeah,
Get up, you gotta get up in there, bro.
It can't be aggressive. You gotta be gentle. You gotta be gentle.
Right up in there.
Sometimes.
True.
Okay, so what brand you get for the power supply?
Where's the box?
You got a Corsair 650
651.
bronze watts. I said it all backwards, but you got the point across, so I don't really care. You got it. But now you need the
Alright,
pop.
so the power supply. We got to run the wires through.
Yo, first,
And then
you need to pop that bad boy in. The hard drive. What type of hard drive is that, my guy?
We got this junk was on sale. We got a steal for the hard drive. We got the 1 terabyte Toshiba, and we're gonna couple it with the where's the SSD? But yeah, we have a 500 gigabyte SSD that we're gonna add with this for the storage. Yeah, it's right here.
How much was both of them?
The hard drive was like 35, and then SSD was, how much was the SSD? I think like,
I'll say 50 tops, 60 tops. I don't know. I don't know.
nah, it was more than that. It was way more than that.
70. It's still a good steal though. It's still a good price. You got to snatch it, you can get out of there. Got it good.
Alright, so over here we got the hard drive set up. It just locks into place with the clips that comes with the side depending on the case that you have. And then there should be a frame like this for the solid state drive. You can just pull this back and slide it in. Bang. Yeah.
So basically, we have everything installed. Everything and a mama installed in this case. All you need to do is clean up the wire management, get everything hooked up properly, plug it in, and then we'll show you the after effects. And then we will have all the links to where we got this stuff from in the description below on his channel, not mine. And then you can go ahead and copy everything.
Wow, that helped